Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to find all your group admin actions on Facebook using the web version on your PC. If you manage one or more groups, this feature is super useful for tracking everything you've done as an admin in one place. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once Facebook loads, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, select Settings. This will take you to your main Facebook settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll find different sections. Look for Activity Log and click on it. This is where Facebook keeps a record of everything you do on the platform. Once you're inside the activity log, you'll see a sidebar with more categories. Find and click on your Facebook activity. This will expand more options related to your activity. Next, click on Groups. This section shows all your activity related to Facebook groups. Now here's the important part. Inside the Group section, look for your group admin actions and click on it. This is where you can see all the actions you've performed as a group admin, including posts you've approved, members you've removed, settings you've changed, and more. This feature is especially helpful if you want to review your admin activity, stay organized, or even troubleshoot something in your group. And that's it. That's how you can easily find all your group admin actions on Facebook using a PC. If this helped you, make sure to check out more tutorials like this.